emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County, Lake County, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Perry to 8 miles northwest of East Lake to 14 miles northwest of Lakewood, and moving south at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Strongsville, West Lake, Euclid, Lakewood, Cleveland Heights, Palma, Solon, North Royalton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lake. A short-term